MODELMIND72 coming at you on your computer screen straight out of the Wickwit's garage saying, "What's up, universe?" I've got a special project that I acquired. I've always loved, the El Caminos as far as being a unique vehicle. I always thought they were cool, and there's a lot of ideals that I've came up with for this particular one. Now I had the opportunity to get it, so I'm going to start this project in the near future. Now this is the 2009 Revell California Wheels series. It's the 1966 Chevy El Camino 2-in-1. We're going to have an unboxing and a / kit review. So if any guys have been eyeballing this particular kit and want to know the parts that's in it, sit back and enjoy. Because we're going to show you what's in the box. We do have the 396. It comes with the 396, which I love the 396 engine. If I keep the 396, it's probably going to be a heavily modified 396. If not, definitely going to go with a big motor, heavily modified. Looks like it comes with two different style wheels. More than likely, I'll probably scratch build the rims, get a custom rim wheel set up for this particular project. These look like maybe the torque thrust two rims. I might put them on another project that I have. Nothing like fresh styrene in the morning. Alrighty. Upon opening the box, looks like we got a big box of white styrene goodness. Revell's pretty good as far as kit builders go. Y'all know I build everything from Revell's, AMT's, Polar Lights. I don't discriminate when it comes to kits. Usually, whatever subject matter I pick, I know that going in there's going to be, I'm going to build it the way I want it anyway. So whatever the kit finds its way to me is really not anything to complain about. All right, first of all, let's go with these wheels. Well, looks like we got some black rubber, hard vinyl rubber tires. I guess those would be the stock ones for those. Followed by, these are some nice little meaty tread. No insignia on them, but those are the bigger aftermarket black rubber vinyl tires. Looks like we got the clear parts, windshield, back glass, headlights. This looks like the aftermarket rims, and looks like this comes with chrome disc brakes as well. More plated parts. And here we got some stock, looks like some stock 66 El Camino hubcaps, grill, bumpers, chrome accessories. All the plating looks good. The rims look good, nice and shiny. No pit marks or anything like that. Of course, we got instructions, which are typical Revell instructions. So it kind of These flames on this particular kit are really nice, guys. If I don't go with them on this car, I mean, the box art, I love that color. I love the theme and everything they got. I have no idea what color I'm going to paint this car, but these flames are really nice. Looks like you even got some cross drill rotor action on there. Just overall, really nice decal sheet going on there. We'll go ahead and bust this body out while we're here. Like I say, anybody that's been eyeballing this kit, I would say go for it. I mean, so far so good. There's your body. '66 Chevy Camino, El Camino. Whoa! Will that work? Sure will. I will go ahead and bust out some more trees here. There's your cockpit, door panels, wheel innards, steering wheel, dash centers. Looks like we got 4 parts trees. This is your bottom of your chassis, radiator core, stuff like that. There's your hood, some seats, suspension parts, rear end, and we got the rear tail lights, and then we got your 396 engine block. Looks like the transmission is mounted on there. Got some exhaust pipes, oil pan, whatnot. So basically, no flashing really. Revell's really good about their, their moldings. This plastic, I've worked with it plenty of times, so I don't have any problem with the quality of Revell's plastic. I have found, building some of the more vintage kits, sometimes you do find the plastic being brittle and hard to cut on and stuff. But basically, it varies from kit to kit, because I've got 2 of the same kits that I've built before, and one of them, the plastic was fine, and then the next kit, the plastic was brittle. So it could be a storing type thing, what way it was stored over the years and whatnot. Or it could just been the run of that particular week of the plastic or whatnot. But overall, I'm giving this kit an A+, and I can't wait to get started on it. And anybody that wants to have a journey with the 66 Chevy El Camino with me, stay tuned for updates. As y'all know, I build multiple builds. I always have multiple builds going on, so I can't tell you when this project will be started or finished. All I can tell you is at some point in time I will be doing periodical updates on it, and I'll also do the final slide behind styrene and all the goodness that goes with the channel. So MODELMIND72, thanking everybody for stopping by and checking out my El Camino build. So follow along, guys. Thank you so much for watching. This is MODELMIND72 saying rock on, build strong. See you guys next time.